Hi, folks. I just wanted to show you something about the hashtags.
I can turn anyone into a beach bum.
There we go. Now I wanted to show you something about these hashtags, which is really quite amazing. This is the video that I made about hashtags called hashtags.
Hi, this is Rich of Ottertail Channel. I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes with you and talk about...
Stop that video. This is a video I made on hashtags called Hashtags on YouTube Today, 5-5-2022. And these hashtags are really quite amazing. These are the hashtags that I selected in the video. Hashtags, hashtags vidIQ, and hashtags more views. Now the neat thing about these hashtags is when you're watching the hashtags on a phone, you don't get taken away from your video as was previously thought for. Let me show you this. I'm going to play the video and then I'm going to click on one of the hashtags. So watch this.
Hashtags.
Okay, so
hashtags are pretty new with YouTube, and I wanted to kind of show you how to put them.
Now I'm going to pause my video. As you see, I went to the vidIQ hashtag that I had chose, and I'm able to go through the vidIQ library here, and I'm actually pretty amazed, and the video is still there for me to watch and choose to watch it
in your videos.
Or I can close that video, or I can go back to that video and I can click another hashtag, more views, and that takes me to the more views hashtag that I chose. So I wanted to show you another thing here on the hashtags, because I'm just so excited about hashtags. One of the things about using these hashtags is the more people that go and visit your hashtags, you're going to show up on these groups. Okay, there's 2.7K videos and 143 channels on here. As I go through here, there's one of my videos right there on the right side, Demo Derby at Benton County Fair in Sauk Rapids. There's another one of my videos right there at Frazee Demo Derby. Oops, sorry about that. Shouldn't have done that. There's another one of my derbies right
What's
there.
Your name?
So I'm showing up on these sites. There's another one of my Benton County ones. There's another Demo Derby. Oop, that's not mine. Looks a lot like my thumbnails. But you see, I'm showing up on these things. So if I click out on that Demo Derby one and look at, okay, right there, that next one is my people visit, I'll start showing up on that page. And so the people that go and visit those pages, there's one of mine right there, Morrison County Ottertail Channel. See that? And there's another one right there 9 months ago that showed up from Benton County. And there's another one from Frazee that showed up on this page. And this page has 4.3K videos and 685 channels. So just by putting those hashtags on my videos, if people click on those hashtags, it sends my videos out to those channels, and so those people at those channels have a chance to see my videos. So see what I'm saying about hashtags? So there you go. That's the thing about hashtags that I've been saying is so exciting.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.